Welcome to the new e-learning session. Children, today we are going to talk about the difficult time that we are going through. That is called lockdown time. Now you must be hearing it all the time from everybody around us that this is a difficult time for us and everything is locked down. Nothing is going on. No business is going on. Even the schools are shut, the offices are shut down, and we just have to be at home and stay safe. But in this lockdown period also, there are some people who are helping us and they are making our lives easy. They are called as lockdown helpers, but we are not going to call them helpers, that they are heroes because they are making our lives easy. Let's see who are the lockdown heroes. First is the doctor. Doctor is helping us 24/7 in our medical emergencies. He is there to see whether we are in good shape or not, and he is prescribing us medicines. He is helping us 24/7. Then is the nurse who is keeping the hospital running, and she is also taking our temperatures and giving us injections. Then is the pharmacist. Pharmacist is the person who runs the medical shop. The medical shops are there to give us medicines whenever we need. The banks are giving us money to buy different things in our emergencies. They are running as usual. The vegetable vendors. In this situation, we need to have a good diet, and for that we need to eat proper food. For that we can go to vegetable vendors in specific timings and buy the vegetables. Then is the grocery shop. Grocery shop is for us to buy the daily need items like all the grain, food items. They are there to give us all that groceries. Then comes the cleaner. Cleaner is another essential worker, that he is keeping all the things clean. He is taking all the dirt from everywhere and putting it in the dustbin. He is making us feel clean. He is keeping the things clean and making us feel clean. Then comes police. Police is there to see that we are wearing the masks all the time. We are not roaming here and there, and we are staying at home. He is there for our safety and security. There are many government agencies who are helping us. First is the water supply division. We are getting waters 24/7. Without any stoppage, we are getting the water. They are helping us. Even the electricity, we are not having any electricity cutouts. We are having electricity all the time for our entertainment, mainly because of the lockdown. Then is the drainage system. Those people are keeping the city clean, and even there is firefighting department which is securing our safety. Then the teachers are giving you all online lessons all the time, so that you are occupied and we don't miss on the school. Thank you, children. Stay safe, stay clean, and stay home.